Hello and welcome to another Maileroo video tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to add your Maileroo DNS records to your Namecheap account. So beginning, what you'd like to do is you want to go to your domains here on the left-hand side whilst in your email API, and then you want to navigate to the right-hand side here and click Add Domain. Now we want to add in the domain that you've purchased or you have. Click Add, and this will open up a new page showing all of our DNS records. So go into your Namecheap account, go into your domain list, find the domain, and click Advanced DNS. We're going to just get rid of these records here, and we're going to just start fresh. So what we want to do is we're going to go here and get our SPF record. I'm going to add in a TXT record here. I'm going to enter the value and put an @ for the host name. And we're just going to save this one. So now we're going to add in our next record. We're going to go get our DKIM. I'm going to create another TXT record for this. I'm going to enter this value and we're going to put in this host. And then we're going to hit save on that one. And here we're just going to put this to no email service for the moment. And then next we're going to go in and put our MX records. So for this, we're going to go to our mail settings and we're going to put this to custom MX. We're going to put these values in, set it to 10, and we're going to save changes on this one. And then we're going to go back to our DNS records and find our next one, which is this one, and set the priority to 20 for this one, and then hit save. And then we're going to do the same with DMARC. We're going to go here, scroll back up, we're going to add a new record. Get rid of that one and click save. And then we're going to add our custom tracking domain. Scroll down. We're going to find CNAME for this one. We're going to call this click, put that in, and hit save. So now we've added in all of our records. So what we can do is we can scroll down and we can use the DNS diagnostic tool, which is going to check the DNS records and find out what's happened. And then we can scroll up here to actually verify the DNS records, and you'll see in a moment this will have been updated, and there you go. We are now verified.